CD from Germany says that the verse in Surah Tawbah, chapter 9, where Allah says to kill all the idol worshippers wherever you find them. This verse is speaking about a specific situation where there was a treaty, where there was a truce given by Allah to the idol worshippers for 4 months. And after that, the truce is over. So this is what the ayah was talking about. Because if you look at the other ayahs of the Quran, they cannot contradict. And it states in the Quran that Allah does not order you to kill those who are peaceful with you, who do not force you to leave your homes, who do not have enmity against your religion. You can be kind to them. If you look at what the Prophet ﷺ used to do, what the companions did with the Jews, with the Christians, with all other denominations, they didn't kill them. They didn't pursue them, though they were living, some of them, among them. And with them, the Jews were there, the Christians were there. So you cannot come to one verse and leave the thousands and say that, oh, this overwhelms and controls the rest. You have to understand the whole thing altogether, and Allah knows best.